Two major rulings came down from the Supreme Court on its final day of the term. The High Court sided with states over transgender athletes in women's and girls sports. Jared Hill has more.
The Supreme Court consolidated two cases involving transgender athletes from Idaho and West Virginia and ruled in favor of the states, upholding bans that prevent those students from participating in girls' and women's sports in public schools and universities. Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote the majority opinion, saying the question is whether Title IX permits schools to maintain women's and girls' sports for biological females. The answer is yes.
What they're looking at is their Equal Protection Clause case law that applies based on sex-based discrimination, and they're saying that these types of laws satisfy that level of scrutiny.
Kavanaugh's opinion acknowledged safety and fairness concerns from the states on behalf of women and girls, but he also wrote, no student athlete on either side of the issue, whether a biological female or transgender, deserves to be ostracized or vilified. Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote an opinion narrowly concurring with the majority on Title IX, but dissenting on equal protection. She wrote that unresolved factual questions prevent the court from assessing the merits of BPJ's equal protection claim at this time.
I think what they're doing is teeing up these future cases and trying to buttress some arguments on behalf of the trans community in other contexts.
Tuesday's ruling leaves in place laws and policies in 29 states in what has become a cultural flashpoint. Jared Hill, CBS News.
The court also struck down President Trump's executive order denying, quote, automatic citizenship to children born in the U.S.
I do think that this has been grossly abused in recent years. And I will say I'm very disappointed in that outcome. I think it subjects the country to serious challenges going forward, and we'll have to deal with it as a Congress.
Several of the justices say the president's order violates the 14th Amendment. That amendment states, quote, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. The administration has argued the amendment was not meant for babies born here illegally. The vote was struck down 5-4.